Hi everyone, I'm Ricky from Tech Talk, and a massive thank you to Spigen, who I have partnered with to unbox my first case from them. So this is the Ultra Hybrid 2 case for both iPhone 7 and 8 Plus. So let's get into the unboxing. So their tagline is something you want, and that's down here at the side as well as on the front. So maybe this is a case that you definitely want. So we're going to do a full review as well, but this is just the unboxing and showing you how to snap it in the correct way, as there is a certain way of doing this. So the Ultra Hybrid 2 with air cushion technology that will protect your device as best as it can from drops, and as you can see here, it has been military grade drop tested. So just down here at the bottom it's saying about the air cushion technology, which means that the force impact will be transferred through the air cushion instead of actually into your device and then cracking, spider webbing, and just that dreaded feeling of when you've dropped your phone. Then turning around to the back, we just have a bit of a detailed information. First of all, just showing you how to install the case properly, as you need to put the corners in correctly, then also removing correctly, which I will also show you. So if I just zoom in here, a little bit more information. So it's form fitted to the ideal device, and for this case it is for the iPhone 7 Plus and the iPhone 8 Plus. So you do have a screen protection as such, because it is 1.2mm lit. Just going over your screen there and it will protect your device. That's filled with that air cushion technology. So this is a clear crystal case as well, so we can see the back of our device. Also comes in 3 other choices of colours. That is in black, mint colour, so it's a clear case again with a mint outline, and rose crystal. Like I said, it's all available from Amazon UK and US. The link will be in the description. Here in the UK it costs $8.99. It's a great case. I'm looking forward to testing it out. And as you can see, I just want to turn this back around just before we get into the unboxing. Here at the top you can see it's reinforced camera protection as well. Thanks to that dual lens system there, you do not want to drop your device on the cameras there. To have it reinforced means that you are having the extra added protection benefits from this case. The case is made up of 2 different materials. You've got a TPU bumper, so that's where your air cushion technology is, and a PC backplate, so a little bit harder. So as you can see on top, when we come into the unboxing, there's a tab here that we can just pull. It says try it, so you pull the tab out. So on the back here you just have a protected film, just to keep it nice and clean, and make sure you remove that first before putting in your device. As you can see here, it's a crystal case design, so it's a little bit softer on the sides, a bit harder on the back, and this is where your air cushion technology is inside here, where it should deflect the shocks that you do get if you unfortunately drop your device. And like I said previously, you do have a protection here for your camera. So let me take my iPhone 7 Plus. What we're going to do is follow the instructions on the box. We're going to place into the case. So we look at the back here, you install 1, 2, 3 and 4. That's what we're going to do now. So I'm just going to show you. So having the case like this, so this corner in first. So 1, then 2, 3 and 4. So nice and easy, and that feels very solid in there straight away. So as we turn around to the back here, you've got a nice crystal clear case that does need a bit of polish. Nice to see the jet black colour there behind. You can see our dual lens camera fits in there so neatly as well, and it is well protected. Our power button again has a nice little cushion over it and easy to get into. Again with our volume rockers, nice and easy, and the volume switch as well that we can get in and change if we need to. Coming down to the bottom, all the cutouts are in the correct position for your charger, your speakers and microphone. So you do have a bit of branding on the case as well, just there. And I just want to show you how easy it is to actually remove the device as well. So you do a little bit of a different process. So you do the top right corner first and then the left corner. So you do the right corner, you do the right left, then your device comes out. Then remember to place back in. You do 1, 2, 3 and 4. So nice and easy, but once it's in there, it's well protected. And as you can see, like I discussed again, you've got that lip. There's only 1.2mm. That will stop your device going face down onto the screen, but then the air cushion technology will deflect the shock away from your iPhone and potentially saving it from them fatal spider webbing, screen smashing, and having to buy a brand new iPhone. Massive thank you to Spigen for sending me out this first case for me to review for the iPhone 7 Plus and 8 Plus. This is the Ultra Hybrid 2 with air cushion technology. The links in the description will be to Amazon UK and US, and it costs $8.99 here in the UK. If you do have any queries or questions, please ask down below and I'll be more than happy to help. Thanks always for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.